Many DoorDash drivers face a frustrating issue where the Dasher app gets stuck after completing facial verification. This prevents them from starting their delivery shifts and earning money. This issue typically occurs due to four main causes: poor lighting conditions, corrupted app cache data, unstable internet connections, or compatibility issues with older devices. The facial verification system serves as a crucial security measure. It verifies Dasher identity before each shift, prevents account sharing and fraud, and ensures compliance with local regulations. The first immediate fix is optimizing your lighting conditions. Use natural daylight when possible, or ensure even indoor lighting across your face. Avoid backlighting and harsh shadows that can confuse the facial recognition system. The second solution is clearing your app's cache data. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps, find DoorDash Dasher, select Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes corrupted temporary files that may be causing the issue. For iPhone users, the process is different. You need to completely uninstall the DoorDash Dasher app, restart your device, then reinstall the app from the App Store. This ensures all corrupted data is removed. Finally, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see which works better. A poor connection can cause the verification process to time out or fail completely. These three immediate solutions, optimizing lighting, clearing cache or reinstalling the app, and ensuring stable internet, resolve most facial verification issues. Try them in order for the best results. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your facial verification issues, these advanced strategies can help you get back to dashing successfully. For optimal photo capture, maintain a completely neutral facial expression. Remove any glasses, hats, or face coverings that might interfere with the recognition algorithm. Timing is crucial when retaking photos. Wait 5 to 10 minutes between attempts to avoid triggering temporary account locks that can prevent further verification attempts. Network connectivity issues often cause verification problems. Resetting your device's network settings can resolve connection conflicts and improve verification success rates. Reset network settings to clear any connectivity conflicts. You can also try using a VPN if you're experiencing regional connection issues with DoorDash servers. Your device's performance directly impacts verification success. Ensure you have at least 1 gigabyte of free storage space and keep your operating system updated to the latest version. Prevention is the best approach to avoid future verification issues. Clear your app cache weekly, use consistent verification locations with good lighting, and maintain your device regularly. Establish a weekly routine of clearing your app cache, as shown in these Android settings. Choose a consistent location with reliable lighting for all your verification attempts. If these advanced troubleshooting steps don't resolve your verification issues, contact DoorDash support directly. They can check for account-specific problems or restrictions that may be preventing successful verification.